Okay, guess where I'm at? I'm at Dollar Tree. This is so awkward filming in a store, but I want to show you. Yeah, they've got the cutest little baskets. Like, look at these. Like, this would have been really cute for like my potatoes in the pantry. And they've got just like a little deeper rectangle. And then over here they have black. And then these are really cute. That would be cute for like onions or potatoes. Man, they've got all sorts of cute little organizer baskets, silverware organizers. I like the pink. They've got drain boards, everything. Let me back up. They got lots of different things. I like these with the flower design. That's really cute. I basically bought like the same thing at Target, and it was a lot more. Yeah, and they had these basically. It's like a Target knockoff, but for a fraction of the price. And they've got those. These would be good little bins. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, little hamper baskets. Ooh, that green is pretty too. But I'll show you some more stuff I found over here. For like terrariums. Look at that. It's so cute. It has like a rubber seal. So you could put your terrariums in there. Yeah, these are just like the Threshold brand. Target, total knockoffs. Lids. They even have hangers like the felt in packs. And then they have the little squares, little essentials. And there's like a bunch of different colors. Way cheaper than Target. Oh, under the bed shoe. You might need those. I don't think I've ever seen that before. And they've got all sorts of stuff. So, try Dollar Tree before you go to Target. That's what I'm saying.